Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Staircase can be a statement features of your home. Modern stairs have changed the game on what's possible, whether that is having a floating stair or using modern materials. More than just a way to get from floor A to floor B, a design staircase can be ensured a home's interior design with an unforgettable signature that is yours alone. Straight open staircases, circular designs, and U shaped models are just a few upgrades of modern staircase ideas employed by contemporary architects. With styles and components ranging from Berkeley courtyard to metropolitan glass plating, the modern staircase is nothing short of art of work. How we pass between the levels of our home should be a daily player. A well-crafted contemporary staircase blends quality while leading to a quality of timelessness to your home. But what should your stair design be? Thankfully, we are here to help you with our designs of the best staircase ideas for you to browse over. Get ready to be inspired to create a special staircase in your home. One of the most dramatic ways to show off a staircase in your home is to show it completely exposed with nothing around or underneath it. We are used to staircase being hidden at the side of a wall, but this does not need to be the case. An exposed staircase allows it to be the centerpiece of your foyer or entryway. You can also marry your minimalistic staircase with an exposed landing and making something even more striking. You can work with an architect to create something incredibly special. One of the best staircase ideas to give your home a rustic feel is with minimalistic wooden planks and open stair risers. Having a natural wood color can bring more warmth into your home, especially if it's surrounded by white walls or a bright hallway. Using wood like this can be perfectly married with the gold, old and the new. You are using a traditional materials with its true color but in a modern way and with the 21st century architecture. That clash of old and new makes your staircase stand out and end the envy of any guest. There are various staircase decorating ideas that can make your staircase look unique and magical. An easy way is by installing some lighting. This can be done in many ways, with the most common being spot lighting leading up the stairs. These are easy to install and you get instant aesthetic improvement. But there are other ways to light up modern staircases. One such way is to flow them all the way up using LED lightning strips. For those looking for something truly unique, you could place a lightning strip across each stair thread. These will look incredible after dark. By far the most common type of railing in homes is wood. It's an easy material to work with, but for those looking for an eye-catching staircase, it does not stand out. A great alternative is to use a metal railing or a glass railing, which gives a staircase a very modern look. It could be that wood simply does not suit the aesthetic of rust of space. Metal gives those perfectly lines and is perfect for a minimalistic space. You also get the benefit of it being easy to clean and extremely durable. You can combine a metal railing with a glass, which is the modern staircase design idea. This is extremely clean and the transparent staircase will look incredible. It also helps to open up the space if your staircase in the middle of a room. As with a metal railing, this is perfectly suited when the rest of the room is minimalistic in design. Having a staircase with a glass railing does not really work in an otherwise rustic room. If your room is light, sleek, and uncluttered, a glass staircase would be perfect. If you have always dreamed of having a grand staircase in your home, then a spiral staircase is the way to go. They look incredible as they sweep up with those curved lines. Your staircase does not have to spiral though. A curved staircase can look equally grand. The sweeping lines of a curved stair create an opaque appearance that most homes hardly have. Whether it's a modern or classical design, a curved or spiral staircase will always look amazing. In conclusion, modern staircases are not only just functional elements of a home or building, they are also stunning architectural features that enhance the overall aesthetic. As we have explored, a well designed staircase can transform any space, making it not just a means of getting from one level to another, but a statement piece that reflects personal style and modern design principles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into contemporary design trends. Thank you.